This is Remy with the Road Hard Roadhouse. Today on the Road Hard Roadhouse, we're putting Rain-X Silicone Endura windshield wipers on a 2015 Volkswagen Passat TDI. Let's get started. I want to thank everybody for watching, liking, and subscribing to the Road Hard Roadhouse. I appreciate it. Today on the Road Hard Roadhouse, we're putting these Rain-X Silicone Endura wipers on a 2015 Volkswagen Passat. Now it says these things last 2 times as long, so we'll see how that works out. But Rain-X is a really good brand, and you just need to make sure you get one that's 24 inches long and one that's 19. Let's get this started. All right, you see this button right here? You press down on it and then pull it out this way, and it'll pull right on out. Extremely hard to do with one hand, but I press this down, this pulls out. All right, it comes with this already installed. This adapter is going to need to be removed so you can put the correct adapter on. Okay, these are the instructions for removing this installed adapter. It's not as easy as it appears. Anyway, what you do here is you need to move this up, squeeze in on this, and it pops out, just like that. Okay, to get the other one back in, it's basically the same procedure. You're gonna see where these little clips down here, that's where the bottom, these 2 clips here, the round ones go in. So you're gonna sit it in until it snaps in, just like that. You'll want to use the B adapter. Line it up. It'll pop through here. There you go. It's done. As after installation, go ahead and remove the yellow squeegee cover. What you do here is you're going to press this black button right here, the square, and then pull out. Comes right off. Okay, once again, I'm going to take this, pull this little thing up, squeeze it, and it pops out. You're using adapter B, so you're going to put it, slide this little front end here up underneath this little lip. You're just gonna press it down until it clicks. Done. Once you get the blade on, you take off the yellow protective in shipping, whatever. That's it. Alex didn't help me diddly on this project, but thank you for subscribing, liking, and commenting down below. And as always, if you ride her hard, don't put her away wet. What are we doing this on? The windshield wipers on your grandma's car. Not on my car, on your grandma's car.
What?
This is a whiskey night at the Road Hard Roadhouse, and we're doing windshield wipers on a 2015 Volkswagen Passat TDI SE. Yeah, that's what we're doing. Right?
I don't know.
Yeah,
Sure.
that's what we're doing.
Yeah, sure.
This is Remy with the Road Hard Roadhouse. Don't know. Let's say no. If you're following me on my Hot Rod Power Tour, if you're following me on my Road Hard Roadhouse Power Tour event, it's
2020.
if you're following me on my Road Hard Roadhouse run,
Hold on. You gotta This is almost too much space.
If you're following me on my road to Roadhouse shit.
Do it again.
If you're following me on my whiskey is really jacking me up tonight. If you're following me on my road to Power Tour 2020, my Dakota gauges have been sent. So they'll be here any day now. I think they're in Lexington, Kansas of some sort, and it's not too far from where I'm at in Ozark, Missouri. But they'll be here soon, and I can't wait to get that $800 and some freaking gauge system in my 1967 Impala. Thank you for watching. Always subscribe, like, and comment down below.